June 2nd, 2012. This is the project that has been sucking up all my time for the last week and a half. The LG split air conditioner that we are installing to cool the office at the garage more quietly than the window air conditioner we currently have. There is a 3-inch diameter hole, 2.5-inch diameter hole that came at great cost. And this was our first attempt. It actually required 3 tries to get a hole here because we hit rebar twice. And then I decided that the position wasn't right, so I'm in the process of patching it. The discoloration around the hole is due to some great stuff, urethane expanding foam, getting on the stucco, and then the sun beats down on it and the color changes to gold, as you see here. On the inside of the garage office we have the evaporator unit, which is hung on a little painted board to try to attenuate the noise a little bit, although it is inherently quite quiet. Over here we have a patched hole between the garage office and the shop. I originally had planned on putting the condenser and compressor here on the wall in the shop, but I changed my mind. So in here we've got the back side of the evaporator unit. That's the condensate hose coming out of the evaporator unit through the wall. And this is the condensate drain, which has to have a grade to it of at least 1 inch per 10 feet. I went with 4 inches for 12.5 feet. And up here, whoa. Up here we have a backboard for the refrigerant lines, which will transition from this wall up to the hole. And we need something to support them, so I put the backboard there. And then that metallic box there is on the back side of the disconnect that was outside the gray box that was outside next to the condenser unit. And the orange wire coming out of it goes along the ceiling all the way. Wow, my lens is kind of dirty. All the way down here, and then it goes through the wall and about 80 feet in that direction. So, as you can see, this has turned out to be quite an involved project, and I just painted the horizontal run of the condensate drain. And I'm going to let that dry and come back in a couple hours and put another coat on it. Then tomorrow I'll take care of the vertical portion of the condensate drain, painting it that is, and get it all strapped down. Right here are all the straps. I painted them. Paint's a little thick. I don't know how that's going to turn out. Guess I'll find out tomorrow. Anyhow, so that's the big project. Total waste of